I'm about to build a chatbot that speaks every language your customers do, and it'll take less time than hiring a single support rep. Let's go! Okay, before we build, there are two things you'll need. One, a no-code chatbot builder that handles multilingual conversations well. Not all of them do, so check that first. Or you can just use the tool I'm using to build it. And two, your support content has to be ready in all the languages you want the bot to handle. That second one matters way more than people think, and I'll show you exactly why when we get to the knowledge base. Alright, let's build! Log into your chatbot builder. In this case, we're using WotNot. Now head over to the bot builder section. This is where you build the flow that guides how the bot interacts with users across different languages. To keep this simple, we're going to use the agent action block and give it a multilingual friendly prompt. Let me quickly walk you through what this prompt covers. First, the role. It's a support agent that understands and replies in the user's language with help from your training data. Then, the persona. It stays professional, sticks to its support role, and gently steers the conversation back if someone tries to pull it off track. And the constraints. This is the important part. It lets the bot auto-detect the user's language and reply in it without asking them to switch. One more thing, add clear exit paths like human handoff or language not supported. In those situations, the bot should route users to the right place based on what they need or the language they're using. Remember I said this is the part that matters most? Here's why. Your bot can only answer in a language as well as the content you've given it in that language. For example, AI might rephrase the word law as provisions or rules, which can be misleading if you're in the compliance niche. So add your help articles, docs, and support content in every language you want to support. Okay, this is a non-negotiable step. Don't do it half-heartedly. Here's how you test it properly. Ask the bot a set of questions in multiple languages and swap languages to check correctness, accuracy, and fluency. If something feels off, fix the content in that language and test again. Now, once everything's working the way you want, deploy the bot on your website or your messaging channels. And that's it! Your bot is now ready to serve users around the world in their own language. And that's a full multilingual chatbot start to finish. Now it's your turn to build one. But if you want someone to build it for you, get in touch with us. The link's in the description.